It's me again, my friends Tech Shider, and let me introduce you to another 3D technology scanner, the FacTrans, which is a 3D scanner that permits clients to handily check protests that are dark, straightforward, or have intelligent regions that were beforehand challenging to filter. In full tone and 360 degrees. No sublimation showers or powders are utilized, taking into account the most shading exact sweeps. FacTrans makes the virtual world more available with the simple production of consistent with life 3D information. The model. If you need to check a small-scale vehicle like the one in the image, the straightforward windows and dark regions would not be perceived with a customary scanner. This is because of the properties of light. It is consumed by dark, sent by straightforward articles, and reflected by reflect-like items. The equivalent is valid for infrared light, which is utilized in numerous scanners. This picture was taken with a scanner utilizing infrared light. The straightforward windows and dark regions couldn't be remade. To examine an article that contains dark or straightforwardness with an ordinary scanner, a white powdered checking shower should be applied. The item becomes white and you can't check cool or rad objects in full tone. FacTrans permits you to examine objects in their unique tone. 3D information checked with FacTrans. Full shading surfaces, straightforward windows, and dark parts examined immaculately. Correlation with proficient scanner. Tire have been pivoted, bringing about misalignment. The above information contrasts FacTrans and expert scanners. Proficient scanners couldn't examine colors since they needed to utilize check shower with white powder. This is a picture of a reference block, 30 by 30 by 10 mm, examined with FacTrans and contrasted with 3D CAD data. Numerous economical photogrammetry scanners don't have self-adjust. In such cases, centering is troublesome. FacTrans utilizes a 16 megapixel camera with self-adjust. FacTrans permits anybody to handily make 3D information of a similar quality on the grounds that the article is set in a smaller than usual darkroom, and is checked as it turns. You can make 3D information with reasonable surfaces. Short time, 10 minutes, creation model. There is basically no compelling reason to eradicate superfluous caught items. There is no compelling reason to stress over the impacts of surrounding light. The article is set in the scanner and the entryway is shut. Click the scan button on the FacTrans app on your PC. The scanner will begin naturally. Assuming filtering from a solitary point, the sweep interaction will be finished in 30 seconds. Click the C button on the FacTrans application to see a low polygon variant of the information filtered, 5 minutes. Assuming the sweep is adequate, click the 3D Create button and the information will be handled consequently, 10 minutes. On the off chance that the outer layer of the article didn't filter well, shower the ink that sparkles under a dark light onto the item, which will make the most dependable output of your article. The ink is water-based and is undetectable in normal light. The sparkling impact of the dark light will blur with time. Obviously, it can undoubtedly be taken out by clearing it off. How much ink expected to examine a solitary article is around 1 to 2 cubic centimeters. The 50 ccs of ink that accompanies the unit is weakened to multiple times before use, a sum of 500 ccs, so you can check more than 250 up to 500 times. FacTrans utilizes an innovation called photogrammetry. The photogrammetry programming runs behind the scenes and expects next to zero direct collaboration. There is a membership charge for the photogrammetry programming, yet it isn't costly. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe if you're new to my channel. God bless.